Doesn't it drive you nuts when you're picking with a plectrum and you start picking the wrong strings? And no matter how hard you try and whatever you do, you're always picking the wrong string or just not finding it right. And it kind of gets your confidence down. So I'm going to give you 3 tips to help you out with that. Tip number 1, straightforward enough as it might sound, is taking your little finger and sticking it and anchor pointing it onto the body here. So the benefit of this is, with the little finger, is that it keeps ourselves close to the strings as we play. So when we play, we're not bouncing our hand and drifting, because there's a very different mechanism between strumming and picking, and you may be finding that along with your journey. So for about 50% of my students, this anchor point of the finger works really, really well. Tip number 2, if you tilt the instrument, so rather than having it flat like this, flat against your chest, whereas when you look down you just see a solid line of all the strings lined up. Instead, if you just tilt it slightly so it's angled into your chest and look down, you can see each string and you're closer to each string. So coupling that with the anchor point little finger will really, really help you. And finally, tip number 3, the grip of the plectrum is essential to maintain pick accuracy. And one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make when it comes to holding the plectrum, they don't grip enough of it. And you can see in this picture that I'm bringing my thumb over the plectrum and really gripping a lot of that pick. If I grip more of it, I'm going to be closer to the strings and a lot more accurate. Essentially, the more you grip of the pick, the more accurate you'll be against the strings. So there's your 3 tips. Keep on playing. See you soon.